Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching this program, my name is Dr. Aviza Bolade, the son of Baba Ramide. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help me share this program. Drop your comment and like it. Welcome to my channel. What I brought today, I brought two things. You can do this thing by yourself. What I brought today is how to treat a woman that menstrual period is smelling. How to treat a woman that menstrual period is always stinking, always smelling, and discharge after sex. Yoruba call one thing. First, let me explain how to treat a woman that menstrual period is always smelling. Go and look for this thing. Yoruba call this thing Emagbo. You can get it where they sell Aba ingredient. Just tell them that you need Emagbo. Get Emagbo and alligator pepper. Emagbo and alligator pepper. Where is it? Okay. This is alligator pepper. Get 3 alligator pepper. And let this thing enough of this seed. Yoruba call it Emagbo. I don't know the English name of this seed. Just tell them that you need Emagbo and 3 alligator pepper. This is the alligator pepper. You can get it where they sell Aba ingredient. Just get this thing, Emagbo, spread it like this. Spread it. Put 3 alligator pepper. Put it inside this thing. Use this thing to cover it. Use it to cover it up. Then get native pot. Put this thing inside native pot. Burn it. After that, grind it very well. You can use filter to filter it. Grind it very well. If you want to use it, use this thing with cold pap. Eko tutu. Use it to drink cold pap. Use it every day for a woman. For a woman that menstrual period is always stinking, or menstrual period, irregular menstrual period. Use this thing. Second one, if you want to treat discharge after sex, Yoruba call one leaf ewe ogbo leaf. Just pluck that away ogbo, rinse it before you use it. Rinse it very well. Then squeeze it with water. Get small. Then get pinch of potash. add it on it. Drink it one times in a day. One times in a day. You can keep it inside your freezer. You can keep this herb inside your freezer. Don't let it spoil. Keep it inside your freezer. The second one, Yoruba call one leaf ewé agogo Ogun. Get ewé agogo Ogun. Look for ewé agogo Ogun. And this thing, Yoruba call this thing ẹfun. Agogo Ogun leaf and this thing. Pound it together. Pound it together. Add black soap on it. Add black soap on it. Pound it together. If you want to use it, you will use this soap to wash your vagina. Use this soap to wash your vagina with hot water. With hot water. Use it to wash your vagina with hot water. That is it. For discharge after sex, use it to wash your vagina with hot water. With hot water. That is it. My name is Dr. Aviz Abolade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help me share this program. Drop your comment and like it. God bless you. Bye.